Hey, everyone! Welcome back to our channel, where we tackle the quirkiest tech questions with a twist of humor. Today, we're diving headfirst into the digital rabbit hole with a question that's both hilarious and, well, technologically challenged. Can I download more RAM for my computer? I mean, come on, can I?
Well, Nosy, you've got an interesting one today. Let's explore the RAM wonderland, shall we?
So, Dr. Answer, here's the deal. I heard a rumor that I can just download more RAM for my computer, like it's some kind of digital buffet. Is that for real?
Oh, Nosy, you're in for a treat? The short answer is no, you can't download more RAM. RAM is a physical component of your computer, like the computer's brain cells, and you can't just conjure it out of thin air.
So, you're telling me I can't just click on download more RAM and have my computer run like the Flash?
Unfortunately not, but don't worry, there are other ways to give your computer a boost.
Alright, so what's this RAM thingy anyway? It's not like a sandwich, right?
Good one, Nosy. RAM stands for Random Access Memory. It's the computer's short-term memory, like a work disk where it stores data that's currently in use. The more RAM you have, the more smoothly your computer can multitask.
So, it's like a multitasking magician's hat, and the more RAM, the bigger the hat?
Precisely. With more RAM, your computer can juggle more tasks at once without breaking a sweat.
Alright, so if I can't download RAM, how do I get more of it? Do I have to bribe my computer or something?
No bribes needed, Nosy. You can upgrade your RAM by physically adding more RAM sticks to your computer's motherboard. It's like giving your computer a RAM-boosting injection.
So, no magic spells or secret RAM handshakes?
Nope, just some good old-fashioned hardware installation.
But wait, what if I accidentally give my computer a RAM stick that's not its type? Will it get a digital indigestion?
Good question. Your computer can be picky about its RAM. You'll need to make sure the RAM stick you're adding is compatible with your computer's motherboard. It's like making sure your car's engine parts fit properly.
So, I can't just duct tape some extra RAM on the side and call it a day?
Not quite, Nosy. You've got to be a bit more precise with your computer's upgrades.
Alright, how much RAM should I aim for? Is more always better? Should I just max it out?
Well, more RAM can make your computer faster, but it depends on what you're using it for. For everyday tasks, 816 gigabytes is usually plenty. If you're a hardcore gamer or video editor, you might want to go for 32 gigabytes or more.
So, it's like ordering fries. You can choose between small, medium, or supersize.
Exactly. You've got to find the RAM portion that suits your computer's appetite.
Alright, let's say I'm feeling adventurous. Can I upgrade my RAM by myself? Or do I need to call in the computer wizards?
Nosy, you absolutely can upgrade your RAM by yourself. It's like building with LEGO for grown-ups. Just make sure you're comfortable working inside your computer and follow the instructions carefully.
So, no need to summon Gandalf or hire a tech sorcerer?
Gandalf would probably just advise you to upgrade your RAM, so you're good to go.
Well, there you have it, folks. You can't download more RAM for your computer. You've got to roll up your sleeves and do some hardware work. But with the right RAM upgrade, your computer can run like the Flash, figuratively, of course.
That's right, Nosy. So, remember, when it comes to RAM, it's all about physical upgrades, not digital downloads.
Thanks for debunking the downloadable RAM myth, Dr. Answer. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell to stay tuned for more techie conversations with Nosy and Dr. Answer.
Until next time, keep your computer running smoothly, and may your RAM upgrades be glitch-free. Bye, everyone.